How to use DHgate coupon. Now, if you want to use coupons on DHgate, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the DHgate app, and this is the type of interface you will see. Now, after this, tap on the account icon from the bottom right and you will see this type of interface. Here, under the My Benefits option, you'll find an option that says My Coupon. So just tap on the My Coupon option. Now, if you have a certain coupon code, at the very top, you can see this option that says enter coupon code. So you simply have to enter your coupon code right here. And once you enter it, tap the add button. Depending upon the value of the coupon code, it will be successfully added as a discount next time whenever you go ahead and then basically order something. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can use a DHgate coupon. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon as always in our next video.